Listen up, this is important. And welcome back to the channel. Did you know the average person inhales over 50,000 calories a year from junk food alone? That's a staggering amount. That's like eating a whole bloody elephant of sugar, fat, and God knows what else. Imagine the toll it takes on your body. Number one, it's an absolute disgrace. We need to be more mindful of what we consume. Number two, it's killing you slowly. The health risks are enormous, from heart disease to diabetes. You're sluggish, you're tired, and you can't fit into your trousers. It's affecting your daily life and overall happiness. It's time to ditch the junk and get a grip on your diet. You have the power to make a change. In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap out those nasty processed foods for delicious, healthy alternatives. You'll feel better, look better, and live a longer, healthier life. So stay tuned, and let's get started on this journey together. Now, I'm not saying you have to give up everything you enjoy. It's all about making smart swaps that satisfy your cravings without sacrificing your health. Think of it like this: you wouldn't put diesel in a Ferrari, would you? Your body deserves premium fuel, not processed garbage. When you start feeding your body right, you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Let's be honest, we've all been there. It's a universal experience, one that connects us all in our shared humanity. You've had a long day, you're stressed out of your mind, and all you want is a greasy burger and fries. It's like a comforting hug in the form of food, a momentary escape from the chaos. But here's the thing, those cravings are temporary. They come and go like waves in the ocean, and they don't define you. They're like a bad reality TV show, loud, obnoxious, and ultimately unfulfilling. You might get sucked in for a moment, but deep down, you know it's not worth it. The problem is, junk food is designed to be addictive. It's engineered to make you want more, to keep you coming back for that next bite. It's loaded with sugar, salt, and fat that send your brain into a frenzy. These ingredients trigger your dopamine receptors, giving you a fleeting sense of pleasure. But just like any addiction, you can break free. It takes time, effort, and a lot of self-compassion, but it's possible. Every small step towards healthier choices is a victory worth celebrating. Healthy swaps that don't taste like cardboard. Right, let's get down to business. Instead of that sugary cereal that's basically candy in a box, start your day with some Greek yogurt and berries. Ditch the potato chips and grab a handful of almonds or some veggie sticks with hummus. And for those late-night cravings, swap out the ice cream for a piece of fruit with some dark chocolate. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. My wake-up call. Listen, I'm not some health nut who's never touched a piece of cake. I love food, and I believe in enjoying life. I used to think I could outrun a bad diet. I thought as long as I kept moving, I could eat whatever I wanted. But then I hit a wall. It wasn't just about weight, it was about how I felt every single day. My energy levels were in the basement, and I was constantly tired, no matter how much sleep I got. My clothes were tighter than a drum, and I couldn't ignore it any longer. I felt like crap. My body was sending me signals, and I had to listen. That's when I knew I had to make a change. It was a wake-up call I couldn't ignore. I started incorporating these healthy swaps into my diet, focusing on fresh, whole foods. And let me tell you, it was a game changer. Not just for my body, but for my mind and spirit as well. You can do this. Making these simple swaps might seem like a small thing, but trust me, they add up. You'll have more energy, you'll feel better in your own skin, and you'll be setting yourself up for a healthier future. So ditch the junk, get in the kitchen, and start cooking up some delicious, healthy meals. Your body will thank you for it. Now go forth and conquer your cravings. There you have it. These are some healthy swaps that you can make. Now you've got no excuse for shoveling crap into your pie holes. I want to hear from you. What are your favorite healthy swaps? Leave a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing even more tips on how to eat clean and live your best life. So, start eating life now.